Today, I'm sharing a simple method of making a 3-layers iced tea. It is pretty and delicious, suitable for the afternoon tea time. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 6 tablespoons of tea powder, 3 pieces of pandan leaves, evaporated milk, 500 grams of gula melaka, 150 ml of water to make the gula melaka syrup, and 1 liter of water to boil the tea. Start with making the gula melaka syrup. This gula melaka is very big and hard. Break it to smaller pieces to melt easily. I am using a stone mortar and pestle to break the gula melaka with a thin sheets of aluminum foil layering both of the pestle and mortar to prevent the gula melaka from absorbing the chili oil from the mortar. Pound it with all your strength until gula melaka breaks into smaller pieces. Alright, this is okay. This size will make it easier to melt while boiling. Transfer it into the pot. Repeat with the second piece of gula melaka. Break it into smaller pieces. Add in the pot. Put the pot on the stove. Switch on the heat. Add in 150 ml of water and pandan leaves. Mix and bring it to boil. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. While waiting for gula melaka to melt, prepare the tea. Switch on the heat. Add in 1 liter of water in the pot. Add in the tea powder. Stir and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. While the tea is boiling, gula melaka is ready. Let's take a look at it. All the gula melaka pieces have turned into liquids, and the consistency is right. Switch off the heat. Remove the pandan leaves and discard them. Next, strain the gula melaka syrup to remove any impurity and chunks. Leave it aside. After 10 minutes, the tea is boiling vigorously and it smells so great. Alright, time is up. The tea is ready. Strain the hot tea with the muslin cloth. Remove the muslin cloth and discard the tea pulp. Now we have a big jug of strong tea here. Cover the jug and leave it to cool. After about 2 hours, the tea and gula melaka syrup have completely cooled down. Transfer the tea to a jug with a pointy mouth to easily serve the tea. Today I will be making 2 glasses of tea. These are the 400 ml glasses. Open the evaporated milk and pour it into the measurement cup. Put it aside. Let's assemble the 3-layers iced tea. Start with putting 3 tablespoons of gula melaka syrup into each glass. More or less syrup can be adjusted as preferred. Assembling the tea while the ingredients are hot will not produce a visually pretty 3-layers iced tea. Put in the straw and the teaspoon to stir the tea later on. Next, fill the glasses with ice block until full. Slowly pour in the evaporated milk on the ice block to reduce premature mixing with the gula melaka syrup. We want both liquid to stay separated as the syrup is quite thick and the milk is quite thin. I have poured around 65 ml of milk on each glass. Now that we have 2 layers, it is time to pour the tea. Slowly pour in about 150 ml of strong tea on the ice block so that it will remain on the top layer and it will not mix too much with the milk. See, now we have 3 layers of the iced tea. Isn't it beautiful? Before drinking, use the spoon to stir and mix the gula melaka syrup, evaporated milk, and tea together until well combined. Cheers! Oh wow, so good and lovely. It is cold, smooth, sweet, and very creamy. Very refreshing and satisfying. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!